Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to get ChatGPT free upgrade. Recently, OpenAI introduced a new free upgrade for ChatGPT user. Now, even free user can enjoy the faster performance, better answer, and latest GPT-5 model feature. So let's see how it's upgrade for free. So first open your ChatGPT in Google Chrome. So this is it, my ChatGPT. I already log in. I'm using the free account. Okay, you can see I'm already used this account. Okay, and now I'm going to upgrade for free. So just click on this option upgrade for free and you can see the 399 plan is for 12 month is free now, zero for personal use. Okay, so try go free for 12 months. And here you can see the more access to popular features, expanded access to GPT-5, expanded messaging and uploads, expanded and faster image creation also, longer memory and context, limited deep research project tasks and custom GPTs. So these are the feature you can use in zero amount. Okay, the special offer, just click on the upgrade to go. And here you see, just wait for the few seconds to open the new tab. And that's it. Here you can see the OpenAI tab is open. Now you can see the coupon is applied here. 100% off for 12 month ChatGPT Go 12 month free trial. Okay. So here the contact information email is automatically selected and payment method card or UPI. So here I select the UPI. So I enter here my details. Okay. Thanks. And you can see the wait for the few seconds. Okay, in GPay you received the payment approval for auto payment in future. Okay, you can cancel this anytime. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Still I'm not received in my GPay. Yes, I received. I open and approve. Okay, for auto pay request. Okay, select your bank account, enter your PIN in mobile, approving the auto pay. It's done. Done. And it's done. You are now subscribed to ChatGPT Go. And here you can use the ChatGPT-5. Just click on here. You can see the GPT-5. Okay, flashing models. So that's it. So that's how you can enjoy the ChatGPT free upgrade. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more tech tips. Thank you so much.